My memory of Pablo Lambey, my pops. He was a modern Garifuna leader who had impacted the thinking of the new generation of Garinagu. He always talks about the journey and struggles of Garinagu. He was a fisherman, carpenter, farmer, and Garifuna activist. His experience led him to develop an interest in the Garinagu culture. He brought new energy to the Urume experience. He acquired land to build Pablo Lambey Cultural Center to promote our culture. His involvement with the union and labor had positive impact on the sense of earning wages to improve living conditions here in Dangriga. I think he contributed valuable incentives for the progress of the Garinagu people. And the symbolic memory of Garinagu will forever remain in our lives. He was a savior in the 90s in inspiring the Garifuna movement. I believe he is forever included among the great leaders of Chatue, Elejo Bene, and TV Ramos. Also, I believe that he was a special messenger of the Garifuna spirituality. And to top it off, my pops was the man who made my first trip possible to the United States of America in 1992 of July. I attended the Garifuna Summit in Los Angeles, California, and also attended my baby sister's graduation, Rose Lambey. I am always grateful to my pops. He is my hero.
Gunda nakaya nabu. Lagano kama ya naguro. Lugudo su gaino.
Ya te babu Dom Paulo ya te tá segura bagutu.
Inani sali ya?